Hello, my name is Officer DiFrancesco with NJIT Police Department. We're here at the Community Police Resource Center. I'm here Monday through Thursday from 10:30 to 5 o'clock. Come visit me, ask me questions, or maybe even file a complaint or make a report. If you have any ideas for any community police programs or anything that you would like to volunteer and be a part of, please let us know. If you have any questions, please stop by, or you can reach us on Facebook at NJIT Police Department or on Twitter at NJIT Police. Thanks for stopping by.